Welcome to the tutorial on the Buildup Exercise. You can access the Buildup element from the menu by clicking on it, and by clicking on it again, you get access to the options in the right-hand side editor. The purpose of the Buildup Exercise is to have a learner put together a sentence in the right order. So in the editor, I can write a series of words. I can save my lesson. And by starting the lesson, I can see what the learner sees. The idea then is to drag words down in the right order. And check if my answer is correct. I can also use alternative sentences. Here, one possible example could be Wie viel I work for. I add the sentence, save my lesson. One important thing to be mindful of is that in the alternative sentence, I have to use the same capitalization or non-capitalization as I do in the words above. So I needs to be capital, wie viel also needs to be in capitals. I save my lesson. I start the lesson. And it will also recognize that sentence as being correct. That is the build-up element.